Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear student, today our lesson is related to conjunctions from page number 69, sentence number 12 to 22. Dear student, take out your grammar today books and turn out the page number 69. From page number 69, sentence number 12, Shahid made a century. He was caught behind the stumps before bracket word. Use the conjunctions in these two sentences. Shahid made a century because he was caught behind the stumps. My grandfather is very healthy. Full stop. He practices yoga every day, bracket word because. Use the conjunction words in these two sentences to join the sentence. My grandfather is very healthy because he practices yoga every day. Because he practices yoga every day. Mavish tried to call us. Our phone was engaged, bracket word is but. Mavish tried to call us but our phone was engaged. Sentence number 15. Rashid rides a scooter. He drives a car, bracket word and. Rashid rides a scooter and drives a car. Number 16. Smear is tall, his brother is short, bracket word is but. Use the conjunction word but in these two sentences to join. Smear is tall, but his brother is short. Sentence number 17. We would love to stay longer. We have another appointment, but, bracket words, but. We would love to stay longer, but we have another appointment. Sentence number 18. Aman could not watch the match. He went for a movie, bracket word so. We use the word so to join these two sentences. Aman could not watch the match, so he went for a movie. So he went for a movie. Sentence number 19. The young player practiced hard. He lost in the second round, bracket word but. Use the conjunction word but to join these two sentences. The young player practiced hard, but he lost in the second round. Sentence number 20. The grocer sells grain. The grocer sells spices, bracket word and. The grocer sells grain and spices. The grocer sells grain and spices. You can go to Kotri by bus. You can go to Kotri by train, bracket word or. You can go to Kotri by bus or by train. You can go to Kotri by bus or by train. Sentence number 22. I did not do well in the exam. I had not studied because, bracket word because. I did not do well in the exam because I had not studied. Dear students, from page number 69, these conjunction sentences is your homework task. You can solve on your book as homework and learn by heart. Your English B lesson topic is also read a letter. Dear student, next topic is letter. Letter to your friend to tell him her about your school. Letter to your friend to tell him or her about your school. Examination hall, City ABC, 5th December 2020. My dear friend, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday, I came to know that you have passed your examination with A plus grade. I tell you about my school. It has a large building. All the rooms are well lighted and airy. All the rooms are whitewashed. All the rooms are decorated with charts and maps. There is a canteen in my school. I like my school very much. Say my regards to your mother and father. Yours sincerely, XYZ Class 5. Dear students, letter to your friend to tell him her about your school is your homework task. You can learn by heart and wrote on your notebooks as homework. Stay at home and stay blessed. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you. Wassalam.